episode of Laker Nation Weather. I'm Parker Keyser. If you've paid attention to the weather the last couple of days, you might have heard of some tornadoes in Wisconsin and some flooding. Even some excessive rain outside of the high school here. Some people even wanted to name it Laker River. It's eventually started to fade away, but some fields still have some water in them. Some of these tornadoes that we had actually was an EF2, and that was in Wisconsin. We'll detail that and talk about some of these rainfall totals coming up right here on Laker Nation Weather. So let's take a look at our weather headlines. Again, that tornado event that happened on Tuesday, not in the Twin Cities though, that was actually in parts of Wisconsin. Some of those rainfall totals though, that did affect the Twin Cities. 1 to 3 plus inches of rain fell. More rain, more river conditions we got in some low-lying areas. Low 60s for our Sunday. We're going to have a half good weekend. Part of it's going to be good, part of it's going to be bad. We'll detail that in your 7-day coming up. So for our Tuesday tornado, again, this was all in Wisconsin, happened in Polk, Barron, and Rusk County. And this was our path of that tornado. So it did reach pretty far. They're still working on measuring of how big the width of this tornado event was, but yeah, that was a very damageable tornado. Lots of mobile home parks actually did get some damage from this, so it was impactful. One person did die. We had 25 injuries with this one. Our peak wind gust was 125 miles per hour, so this one did pack some heavy winds. They're putting this at an EF2 right now. There's a chance it might go further, but that's what they're at right now. Some of those 4-day rainfall total events, areas in the red, again, that's where we had some of those heavier rainfall totals. That's 3 inches plus in the red. Areas in the green, that's about 1 inch. Yellow, about 2. And then the orange is about that 2.5 to the 3 inch range. So, you know, pick your place. Areas mainly off towards the east. That's where we had some of those heavier rains over the last 4 days. Your almanac didn't get that warm today. 56 degrees is what we topped off at. Average is about 70. And we're close to that record high, 93 degrees set back in 2012. Your forecasted highs for our Friday, looking at mid-50s for most of the Twin Cities areas. Areas down south towards Sioux Falls, possibly getting in the 60s. Really depends how much sunshine we'll get. Up to the north, 40s for our Duluth and Superior areas. Your 7-day forecast, when I talked about partially good weekend, this is what I meant. We have a chance of rain on our Saturday. Sunday will be clearing on out. Chance of rain in the morning, otherwise temperatures approaching the 60-degree range. Monday, a lot better. 69 degrees, mostly sunny skies, a lot warmer. Not really looking at some big rain chances. A possible chance on our Tuesday, but look at this. Wednesday and Thursday, upper 60s. We'll take it for sure. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode. Check back next week for more.